Hey guys, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Well, today we have got the full spoilers for the May Yes Oh Yes box. And guys, I don't know what is wrong with me. I don't know if it's this cold or what, but in my other videos, I was saying that one of the Beauty Creation Splash of Hues palette might be for the May box, and I kept repeating that in my videos. Guys, I couldn't have been further from it. I meant to say for the June palette or for the June box. So I do apologize about that because in the May box, it is the Beauty Creations Seduce Me palette. That is the palette that's going to be in the May box. And also there was a new spoiler revealed today, which is the Maritza Dupont Illuminator, which is just absolutely gorgeous. I love this. And then the rest of the spoilers you know is going to be in the May box is the Mirabella Beauty Lip Liner. You will get 1 of 5 shades. And then the Appeal Cosmetics Holographic Lip Gloss. And then the Masquerade Masks, you will get 1 out of 4 different ones. And of course, again, the Beauty Creations Seduce Me palette. And again, guys, it is still unconfirmed, but we are shooting for the June box for the Beauty Creations Splash of Hues palette. I do want to correct myself on that, and I do apologize for that, guys. So I will make sure to update you if I get any more info, and make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every time I upload a video. You do not want to miss any spoilers. And also, guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. Also very hurtful. But as long as YouTube sees that you're watching my videos, it doesn't really matter. And also, guys, one more thing before you go, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you guys in the next one.